Oye! My Irene, oye! 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 Oye!
Being the returning officer for Ramburi District, pursuant to the Parliamentary Elections Act Cap 177, declare Wekomba Sarah Namboze as a duly nominated candidate for woman member of Parliament for Ramburi District. So we shall call you and organize campaign program. So be waiting for our phone call.
Yeah, sasa bana ngabatumasa Moses. I am the duly nominated candidate for NRM Elgon County. Today, of course, I'm very proud and very humbled. I thank my God for making this possible. Thank all the people behind me. They are my strength. They are the people who have made me what I am today. And I really look up to them for anything and everything that we intend to do in the future. As per for Elgon as a county has numerous challenges, including but not limited to one, poor road network. We have mudslide. People have not been resettled. We are so far the richest county in Bulambuli, in particular, but on a larger context, Bugisha as a whole, because we produce the largest amount of Arabic coffee. And as you know, Arabic coffee currently is standing at 20,000. But our people are not benefiting because the cost of transportation is indeed very high. So if they indeed find this in me, that if they send me to Parliament, I'm going to work, we first of all have to begin with roads, improve education, improve health care, and so many other things. That is what we intend to do for Elgon, including but not limited to resettlement of the landslide victims. So, as for the people of Elgon, I'm very proud for entrusting me with the flag. I know I will work towards defending it, and I am quite sure with their support, we are going to win the vote. The 6.
Isaac, Member of Parliament of Bulambuli, are the candidate, Mushposha, Member of Parliament of Bulambuli, Garapila Balambuli Kumulanga, and Katanya Isaac, Mam Wanajim Chesa, Rambire, Warambire Bulai, Wabarindi Bulai, Biokulinda Waramakamani, Wabambe Kamasumero, Wabalo Bingire Singudo, Singoho, Kamatenti, Birbia Kulima, Tibumba, Bumito, Chimbako, Vindicali, Sikolere. Era mbe kotsela ndi mutse mu parliament tembashikire mundi kwe habiri era byesi kholele kumundi kunyowele ila bikola mumbe demo bweyikino ndi mwana kula ndi program ndi manifesto ya second term kinyo ashene ndikuti kulana bye kulima ndikuti kubona ndingabira bali mu mitso budi buli mpulubudi wa mayindi bana butama mbayo khatibumba mbayo kamalesi ayo kubona kuri babusinga income shindi injili Yesu kuli bakara moja security ni kutongera mukamani mbona ndi babara befatsinga kutsemwe ni ibindi byefu byesi kuli nabyo bakara moja no bitumbo sata naberenga gari khali basiri khale bamani be babire tsinga kubotsana bako bakobosera era ikundu ashindi shiringa na kutu kumonandi tsinga kutse government iri kutsahuwange kabatsara stocking balambuli nabo bafunako ni bamasaba kuyirira atwera nashireginga parliament era ndikuza kushikupatisa mbo nendi asholera lekuba nishiri amanga the unfunded priorities mu budget yeri nabo ishindi ndikuza kugabaho improved hybrids improved breeds tsetsingapu tsiunwa lekuba nditsingapu tsefu zirimo kamabeta zirimo ebeita kandi nenga zafunira kubumicho bulayi kulabura kuri kugira sikukura tsingapu tse kumwendo atsikama ate improving a breed kitsa kuyeta bakara moyo kula kuibatale kuwe bakara kuwe batsinga kutizonguta be batsinga kutimasa abatsonye so ngara kubona ndi bakara moyo nabo barusaye kumoyo kwa kuwe batsinga ndekho kutsa ye breed sibakakana tikusapotinga ba soleri ngare mbaso kupatinga chimipira na patsinga bamai na supportinga baleme na supportinga basaku kubindi bikhali bitwa munendi kula mbwawe bulayi so bintu bikalibye sinakhola era balambuli ngara mutsike manye bili branches mukatenya aiza na ili constitution ya Uganda ifuraho kama gambira kae na rayo ukuitsa mukhalulu khano nga mundu mutongole namwe uli independent chasinzira nigeriesi bululu bwapikha munyange yeyo dala ngese ngakatenya aizaka nabona bibuye baba bikali pula msakampesi kama kali kukula baba balondi shikafuzo bisoma magambira ta kulondesa abana batini kukongera menamba ibile jirimo bandu 9 bali bali 3 babina sabu kaundele mu bandu 10 bali 13 kukupa bandu chimimbo ni bindu bibuye bikhali bitwela ta kurisarisiwa ni kubisa bubi ni mwakadetsi bakhali batwela ta so shichiro bone Chelo settlement kwa kubona kuri ngobola inyalise balondi basi badi maninga bali ngobola imbonendi lazima kwira mukhalu khanule kubanda khalu khawele khathabula iti president Museveni community ngile yaruwa wakankanayi ngabaye na raimbo be mamu muna bitali wala mali babu bikwe mahalu khanota lwe kubendi inayacha musiru lwe bilu bikhali byabira imwe mikobote ni kwa bina isani ni banzimogereta so nganetirendi ikitegeza shiri abende umubina mwe balondi bana bata nendile kubandi yabere kukara kwe abantu ate ni bibiye byaba mukhalu khahabe n'yishira buri muntu wabaga akora mukhalu kha general
okay
sign here don't go beyond the black line here. Whoever wants to take a photo should be prepared here. Just that person the way you touch it. So, Mr. Burundo, Musingo, Alex Mungoma, yes. You have fulfilled all the requirements. I hereby declare you a duly nominated candidate for Buramburi County, Buramburi District.
Buli mundu wamanyari khalulu akhaba angwana ikhaba khala inabi tawe primary sibo bandu bakhola chimivuruko chimikali nabi barera kutumbusa barera babana beka masomero bali mu boarding schools like Nabongo senior secondary school basi abaza kurondesera yo bululu aringezi nalolelanga uwamakuba member wa parliament ato wikhale angwana ni babekhali bose sana bamanye shine chama kubawo shina chiri kubawo bakupa abantu chimimbo barisa kaba bandu kale sendo kusubira electoral commission independent electoral commission inyala yaba ku side ndufu kubona kuri bakhandolinga khalu free and fair iranga byatsi ebiru sese ndu kutakasa ndi khalu khano muri sinali yesu ndu kukhali ndikira member wa parliament bachikolele chi chishingo busele mwanyala nabi wera balinde wero barere kana bese yobula
balambuli nachesa nabi ba Elgon North muri muchena mwanya la kweza mwanya la kupelekesa mwanya la kuzaganira mwanya la kungana indi hano runakuro chelelo nasanyukile neza nekwihandikisa ingeza kulonde bwango mubaka wa Elgon North kuchikirira i constituency ya Elgon North henganikira hano bapandikire kale era returning officer apambisire kale certificate irometi katano na kutongozele nga candidate wo MP kwima mu Elgon North constituency. So ingana kuba sima eti mwanya la kwisako mikono, mwanya la kupelekesa, mwanya la kukakasa mutunakolele tena ni andikisi.
Maiju my fire ambulance moto
hati indikona amahano indikwengobola yengo batu bange ba Elgon North sese nyangeno indi woman member of parliament we bulambuli gepereza bulambuli bose ne batu ba Elgon North banomere bati mai fe itamu iliko yirako kugana weze ngo ingwe wose niye bujinyanya eyo niye ligombola lyose mwesi nama ne mwesi nondera ba Elgon North banomba bati mai fo kugana women anu mu constituency yefe ukubere kumpi ne omwene bitu bino byose biza mumoni ubona oti wabirondelele wabisirilile kubanga enyange endala ipereza bitu leke bikola bitiena bagada simenye nondele paka ekole tiena ndabuse ngabana angile neza baza ganira nilisanyu nigumu ikoyo kwa dia kwanywa kwa chakala na sese neza keneze ubye kaniga makono busada neza radala niga maniga ambulance na
ambulance fire
bali basi manavi era katano bayipali katala bati mai bibi kuzine fefe kwasimire wawulire mulanga gwefe wakuletera ambulance kugana lidwalo liefe liye bujinyanya government yafugirisa kuli kusa ilibe health center for ligana government itemo mangu mapesa yimba kebizimbe binanu bigali nezi wodi zibe zingali nesi bamayi befe basala abe yakugali esi batu bafunira mananu malesi abe yakunanu hakubalayi batemo ni bibyuma bikebera mubiri gwo mutu balete ni basawu babakola kina babajanja babatu ebyo byoza nenga na kuba kakaseti ndikwembironde labalebe base simunye nezele hango katanuke ikitumada simunye ndikwekola tiena kwanezerako bamala kibazi na kindi lugudo lwefenge efula yakubire mukinabu kine ngakola ni 4-wheel drive atalusine ni 4-wheel drive yako leti ene yaleka kubitada baba Museveni kukubira mulanga wokusubiza low cost ceiling technology kwama musimu kona kwazira dala paka imasira katano kwayongera kuligombolo lye bufumbo ati ni kuongera lugudo oluzire dala paka kumbiji bridge ikwambusenano isebei kumanya kuti wamira dala hano kukola asi uza kuinjire nano kola asi era nafe rube galodani kuweteko kuze mu Elgon bachefe bebu masobo bebu luganya kuike paka esimu kuike paka ku double hen ibu yaga mtown council nebeko nani kola asi lugudo refe lubi baba Museveni eranga hesi ndikwe Dakar luliti ngaye ndikwe ngobola mu parliament iti kena ku wako di muda nasenza kuijeresa buijeresi sawa yose mbone bitu binokola bitiena koleka bitu bidambi byesikokolako mubifo bwenenga igorobetei ni mu Nairobi mupyamu kwata mu patch nenge ebyo kebiri ni permanent da nibigana kuletera dala low cost ceiling technology tofu niyo boyfule kuba oba mumugukasa fe kubakola kutiena kuba kugenda kubange ngwe wefeye litaka lijumi ate batu befe bakozi balima bitu ingana kubenga kufuna butale mu bwangu ingana kubonenga kuti bitu byefe kufunamo kigendera chefe nga balime hatinga namireho naza ku kintu kindi kizina mabi bananu batu bewefe batu baloma kitu cyenanu chega masanyalaze ingana bere abo mutangirisi wega masanyalaze minister nege sasanya masanyalaze mu bugisuno mosi nalama ate abe cyalama ne bakola batiena bakala katanenga na kwiyongera kuza mumo nimboneti inonderera bifo ababyesikiri kudabusema masanyalaze bidabusemo era mulanga guno nakubire kale bakyase minister babali mu energy itebe yenikalizagamu naba kubire mulanga eti balebase sene baleda ngene mutebe nanye mukole mutiena munede era mu kisera kikali kye hale iri banatumana batu beze bakole kina bapime bifo bikali mu manana masanyalaze ngama kwa double ligombo lyefe lyengazi masira miruka je ganzo miruko je gabugoto miruka je kinofu miruka jojos kugana kubona kutiena imbiji kugana kuti masanyaze gakolega tiena gadabule hatukwaba ni gamagombolo gandi mwese ndada basa masanyaze ne masanyaze gafa misala jagwa ziwaya za kalika era baziba nakubakali mulanga mu kitongole kitano kigesa manana masanyalaze era ni minister namubulira naye ali kwatako ipressure ku kitongole ekyo ati ze muyinyuse masanyalaze ze mugobosoze transformer ze mutawozi waya batu bebulambuli bakola batyena badubuke ekyenza kuyongera kukilonderera habo obifo bindi byesi masanyalaze gabita nenga bakikwingisa munzuda batu bakola wiring katano government neza kutula mutebeyo kwana nika ni process ni program ye kukola free connection batu bose bayipandikira bose zilisi ze abatu babalomba masanyaze nenga bakikubingisira da bitu byanabirondolere bana nikire kuingisa batu base bandi bana nikire kufuna ko manana masanyalaze ere kirondele mboneti bulu mutiyeza nakola atyena afune masanyalaze ingana kulondelela bitu biyamba kulisoma bye babana befe masomero gebwefe senyanga eno zibasali zesinga mu Bulambuli mwaka guno gonyene nagabire kubitisa basali bisatu bana befe baze basome bunana bulayi ni program za president akuletera uze abana befe kuza kushoma muhabu na zeni kwe kubirisa abana befe basoleli baze basome nagira bikozese banana bonyene masomero gesi government berenge kutera usidi schools nabelenge mbilondera kuboneti batabo era kufune banana basomesa nagira basomese bana befe bunana bulayi indikwenga na simunye nikale hawene kende kwenganako batu bagana baza bagusasese batu baza kubafunira milimo baliko batu soko mapesa ati milimo bakola batyena baleka kufunada ingana kulondera kagira Balambuli ba Elgon North bana mebati mayenga omwene yeza nagira bitu no biyambe bale bikole bityena nebigende bulayi bitu bihamba kuzi kulutye ni batu befe kubayira mu bifo bilayi isonga yena fe kuzina batu be mu kidinga na magombolo gefe gesi kubanga mu kidinga litaka lijimu ngefula yakubiroza kudia yikile yajemere bidinga litaka lyasembere banana batu president ngana kumusima afugiri settlement program yefe eralagira erenga nakumugira mulanga it baba president hesu uliosizana program yefe ya settlement ukulede batu befe litaka ligulibe mango batu befe kubatu semutu fobibi kubayire mutu fobila yi litaka obawe bapeso obawe bakezizu ne batu befe babunana babebula bana befe basoleli kunakolaganira honyene imbole semukose munana mulayi mutufu gwe kubitirako zimbera zefe zibezinda ibamayi bayaya bose sese inza kugenda ninanye sekatano nago bolengo kuza kwikala ninanye kubone bikuzina bababa kukolaganire honyene kubone bibazina ingana bulamu we abatu befe ba Elgon North buchukeko bubulayi niye kingana chefe Elgon North ya miliya fenga wazile koyo inga mumu guliko no dimano double ngaziyo wamba so tuli musisi zalandi fefe Elgon North ne Switzerland yenana Uganda no lecho tourism nekubanga kugirete ngazi yo batu beze Balambule ko baboneko bitu baboneko binanu basanyuke kubanga kwadira na Mount Elgon National Park so ingana kuva simba nabi batu bega mawulile mubere muti bapokopoko mwanyala kuna kolaga naho nyene bali base bibiza mu sembawe na nye musasanye batu bamanye biriko biza mumoni bila ibiriho nibiza kukolebwa ningeza ko bayaya bose bayusi bose kubaleda byesi baledeleko zisola bayusi nabakwa bamayineleta ko bukuroira bugoko byalani bitu bigali byesi kolele kunikala kubone kina cyesi kunyakwa kola buminzo ebyo byose kunikala kuganike kubone kutizimbera zefe zibazindai ga gravity water ndikwenga na kuyongera kuga sasanya gabenga gadabula buli hatu batu babenga banyamezi mayonje ne baleke kukola kinana baleke kubalada so kuliko kuza kurale yefe ibulegeni playground enzenga nikayo batu base basi returning officer alikulali kirati inga nikunanika campaign zewe fe mu butongole November ngaliko nenga aza kulanga kugobole bulu mutabeni program yewe ku harmonizing kubona kutikayo kuba nada kale ngana kuba kupirisa batu ba Elgon North mubeba agumu kenu iliyo baliko baleta maya kega sana da maya kega limala ida ngoloda kalulu uloda mubatu ko kubada ate mwidembe nga wakule batu nudia bakumanile kanana kalulu batu nya mubeba agumu kalulu kase mubikira dala nezele kosikene ngali 10 January box none my
thank all my people of Elgon County and Bulambuli district for the support they have given me since 2006 and this nomination means another journey for another 5-year term to start on 15th January 2026. We have many programs to accomplish. First of all, we are living in an environment which is hard to reach, and it requires enough time, lobbying to help the communities in terms of infrastructure, roads, and many activities which are really affecting the community. I seek another term of office. I've started on many projects which I also need to finish. Yeah, that's it. Independent, you are aware of what happened during those primary elections of NRM, where majority of us were not satisfied with the outcomes of the results. So I chose to come as an independent. That's point number one. Number two, independent, it's guided by the Constitution. It's not a party issue. It's a Constitution. I'm standing here because of the Constitution. It's not the party. The Constitution of the Republic of Uganda of 1995 was amended. It gives powers to any person to contest and as independent. It's not an issue of the party. So those party issues will discuss them later. But as of now, I'm standing as an independent as per the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. Kusoka ke pire kusima batu base ba Elgon County ni balambuli bosizana support ye bapa kutura mwake kubiri mukaka ine tamu iza kuba yeka 5 ngeni kuza mu parliament niko tandike bulambuli nga constituency yonyene banako ni constituency zidatu ko tandika nenga kungeseneza munayo parliament abakuli solo wanakwafuna district kundi programs zinga zekwaka kumalizenga FFM Elgon County ate bulambuli as a whole kunywa kuni problem yezingudu keko ni mara muza kuzinguro ni material engeri ye flood litaka lyeferia government ilikuta kwesira igana kumona zinguro zefu ate kuni bisa byo batu balambula mu kisa cyefe Mount Elgon. Government yafugisa kuku upgrading ya zinguro zefe zenga zinochi program yitwalije byose bigana mu kulobinga banga maula kwa president akuza wose batu ko mazinguro amani bakola katigana umutuliyo kali nonyana yava mu group ina metiku banga zinguro ze government kugana kukola zinguro bisatu ni zinguro kuzileta mu program kupikoma bigana umutulobinga keruti kuza kwikalamuti government kakora so ngana ku focus na nywari kugana kungona zinguro kungone madwalo kusima government ya kwa madwalo nadala mu constituency yose ende Elgon County kuni health centers magomboro gabiri gonyene gakani health center 3 gasingaga ni health center 3 magomboro musambire magomboro gatano gane health center 3 ba kuwani lidwalo health center 4 liburuganye kugana nayo government ibaki byoza nakugana kubirobi kugana kongere mu kubone bana basoma batiyene
ulivutsa distance
wale bali mu administration ye pate bambitsa bubi nabi batu banone bora akutu bachusaga bizawuze toka tiyo byapamba kongo mu bonyoroze mu igombolo sisendi kambe tu umona fune mu parishimbo fune mu lasa kubulu bolimo rukumi nabo funa bulasa tuti so byo byambitsa kifabi kajana mese karenga byabe bitokese nzenga independent ya bange chini support yese mu batu ndiko ni kwasaga kubatura batu baroba nano ndati bari kunona when I joined the parliament in 26 this area was one county called Bulambuli. We managed to, with 9 by then, we had 9 sub-counties. We managed to get a number of them. As I talk now, we have 26 in number and several parishes. That is an achievement. We also managed to create a number of other units, villages, and so on. So when I also joined this constituency, we had only 4 secondary schools. We had Nabongo, Bulago, Tunyi, and Bujinyanyi. Right now we have a number of secondary schools in this area. So that is also an achievement. By that time I came, there were no issues. By that time we had only health center 2s, which during my term of office we promoted them to health center 3s. And as I speak now, we are going to have another health center 4 in Buluganya, one also in Nyanya, and also want government to elevate Miyembe health center 4 to district hospital. That's in the terms of health. Now the challenge which we are still suffering and which is still disturbing the community is the roads. Now, why the roads in particular? First of all, we're in a terrain which is so bad. We don't have gravel materials, the nature of the soils and so on. You have been hearing of mudslides and so on. So constructing a road up there, Maram Road, it is impossible. So we have discussed with government, and as we move in the National Development Plan 4, which was approved, government has marked some of the roads to be upgraded to tarmac. A number of them in my constituency. Buyaga, Buluganya, Masobu, Chimuli, Wakadara. We have also looked at the Simukona up to Pulago, Natavare, and the tourism sector. Because we have a number of tourists who normally visit the park. But at times they get those challenges. So, and several other things which we are trying to help the community.
Issues of settlement.
Yes,
resettlement.
Now the settlement, government managed to acquire land, and so far they have settled a number of people. But the process is still ongoing, because whatever they are trying to do, we are trying to manage the mitigation of disasters. So people are not going just for merrymaking, but it's because of problems. They have gone there because of disasters. So government is in the process of acquiring another 20,000 acres of land to resettle all those other people in risky areas. In the whole of Bugisu, not only in Bulambuli. Last in every political game, there are groups. That's why you see me, I'm with my people here. Chiboma also has gone with his people, and then other parts. That's the word of the day. But that was not likely the factor, but mismanagement by the officials.
We are grateful that our owner has been considered as our candidate of the area. He has been a leader of all times, and we believe that since he has been approved, we are going to give him the 5th term, and by God's grace, he's going to go through that he can at least lobby for us our things that are still remaining. So I call upon each and everyone, ladies, men, women, youths of Elgon County, let's put hands together and we pour all votes to our honorable that he can go to Parliament and that is secure for us our future as Elgon County. Thank you so much for listening. Listen, Alio Savananga Fred Nambale, in the member of Elgon County, kwa simile kusawa zinuzegu mdichini chalero, honorable F. Ignatius Omakwimudimi, bamukakasile kubanga alenyene kuli kuza kuba kubaluti yegu mwaka gweza gwegumbile abimukage ikumbila asatu mwemu ni kukubiriza mwisa na bamayi ni bababa ba Elgon County itukubenga kuambila konyene kufumula honorable Bululu ngesikolizaga mwamanya kyebawo kupate kwena aremu batu bakubuzabuza nechelero kwezile bali bikwezele da mukwe Bululu honorable Parliament akuleta ebitu byosizana byebanga bisigalayo bale Elgon efe ibe kumutindo na fefe kubenga kubanika bulayi mwanya akutegeresa wele yongeye kukulinda balebe kukwile nyuma kusa road map mubenga mukwa Bululu kwebwagizi mwanya
nanga batimayi honorable na Magembe Dorothy Malenge kwa isimu sub county mwikali we Elgon ingana kusima kulo baba honorable kubanga amali nomination era kusime bira ibesa zirenga akukolera lwe kuba biriwo biboneka era ndirundi kulikugana kumwongere buwagizi kumwe bululwaze era yakuchikirire no wagira bitu byefe birala byesalo binga binyale kudabula kuba bikali lwe kuba linis plan zingali zesa zirenga akubolera kwamenyere kutisinga yakubanga kwa mwisireyo nibibanga bitu byefe
binanu byesabanga aholaho nga like bamayi saholera ho bamayi
amakukola magombololo masomero madwaliro akola awamba ko bana bene azanga supportinga munje rikali yonyene da era kufujirisa kuti lwese alikuirayo alikuza kukuletera ni rugudo lwefe babenga balukolera bona amakusubiza mugamba ati butale bulikuza kweza asa kwamenye kuti rugudo kwama ibuluganya ibuyaga paka buluganya paka ekimuli balikuza kubanga bazikola.
Okay. Anyala. Wara manana.
Nata mirenga mai honorable na Magembe Dorothy Malenge omwikali wesimu.
Kale wanyala. Na?
Seka ejibitresi. Nasimi honorable kugobara musanja. Era pamale kumwandikisa kwasimi. Anga honorable ono kajja kumuletera kumisire. Tubeta ali babo mukula akola bisinga kolo akala magombolozi controversy amakuku imbakira masomero zikanisa akuwa era akwambala ko niwe bana zibasere apawa kajja kumusubira kumwiseyo zingudongesa na ame masopo baba za kolebu yaga mudambo gwakurira aza kukolera bino bona bulale esimu bwafunika aza kombe kiri kusebisa kugenda bula ikubanga ona lwefa lwega mane era alumutukwa kajira kumisiseyo bula inabi aleda bula inabi la kusubira akikuambira ko byesa kusubiza kajira kona kumwisayo.
Okay. Anyala.
Asigale kajibitu